Okay, just some thoughts about ED 151 creative activities. Again, by now, as with all other courses, you should have gone through all the information in the Getting Started module. Each week, we'll have modules and we will have assignments in the modules. As a reminder, all your assignments are due on Tuesdays. Each week, you will have a list of articles and videos that or websites that you need to read and review. This class does not have a textbook, so it's really important that you look at all the resources in the resource section each week because those are going to be related to your assignments. Again, all your assignments are due on Tuesdays, and if there's any changes to that, I will notify you through course announcements. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.